Shwmae Bawb. Hello everyone. This is the second part of our video series 625 words in your target language. Now we looked last time at this article which was talking about this new language hack, as they're calling it, and the idea is to learn these 625 words. Now they're broken up into categories so you can learn them in manageable chunks. What they do is they just give you a list of all the words in English and then you are supposed to find them yourself. Well, I thought I'll find them for you and I'll help you to learn the Welsh versions of each of these words. Now, just to let you know that this list is either written by an American or somebody who's learnt American English. So there are a few phrases in there that I will be changing to the English version, or giving you both the American and the British English for them. And today our list is transportation. This is the second one. Now in the UK we would tend to say transport, meaning the same thing as the Americans would mean when they mean transportation. And we're going to learn some words all to do with transport and travel in vehicles. Okay, so our first word, I've got my list down here of all the words in English just to make sure I don't forget anything, and then I will look at the word and translate it for you. So the first one was train. Now train in Welsh is very similar. It's train. Train. So you roll that R, that's the first bit, and instead of train, it's more of an A sound. Train. Train. I'm not rolling my R's at all today. Got dry lips. Train. That's better. Train. So it's T-R-E, which is a little upside down V on top, which we call a toe, and that just elongates the letter. And then an N. Train. Okay, now we have awyren. And awyren means plane. The plane that you fly in to go on holiday, that kind of plane. Awyren. 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 It almost sounds like you're talking about somebody from World War II who joined the armed forces, a lady. Hey, this is our wren here. Meet our wren. Awyren. Oh, now this is the most difficult word you'll ever learn in the Welsh language. No, it's not. Sometimes we have words in Welsh that are very similar in English, and vice versa. And this one, well, in English it's car, and in Welsh it's car. Car. With a rolling R. Car. The rolling R sounds like this. Sound. Imagine you're on a motorbike. Car. Just a little bit of that rolling R. If you want to know how to make that sound, I have made a video on how to pronounce that letter, and I'll put a link to it in the comments below. Now next we have what is on the list as truck. But truck means something different in the UK. We call American trucks lorries, or in the singular, a lorry. In English, British English, a truck is a railway truck, so at the back of the train, rather than the one on four wheels that you use to deliver goods. So we would say lorry, and the Welsh version for that word is lorry, with a rolling R. Lorry. Lorry, spelled L-O-R, lor, and then an I for that E sound. Lorry. Lorry. The next word is bicycle. We all have bicycles as children. Some of us still use them now. I love going out on my bike, as I would shorten it. And that's the thing. In Welsh, it's also shortened, and it's pronounced bike. Bike. Quite a sharp, not bike as we'd say in English, but bike. Quite sharp and short. Bike. Spelt B-E-I-C. The C has that K sound, that K sound, and the I sound in bike comes from the letter E and I together. Bike. Bike. Now, bus in Welsh is a nice simple one to say. because it's bus. Bus. B-W-S. Bus. Boat in Welsh is cwch. Cwch. Now it's spelled C-W-C-H. It almost looks like the word cwtch, you know, a Welsh hag, a cwtch, but it doesn't have that T in the middle. So we got that oo sound from the W, and then the CH at the end is a h sound, as in loch. Cwch. Cwch. Now, a ship in Welsh is chlong. Chlong. It's spelt like the word long in English, but with a double L. So we start with that sound. Chlong. Chlong. Again, if you want to know how to pronounce the double L properly, I've made a video. I'll put it, I'll link it in the below. Chlong. So it's just like the word long, but with that chl sound, that double L sound at the beginning of the word. Chlong. Right, next we have the word tyre, as in a tyre on a car wheel. Now you'll notice if you're American that we spell it differently to you. So if you look below and you go, hang on, it's not spelled T-I-R-E. No, we have a Y instead. And when I first saw the word on the list, I thought, tyre? But this is a transportation list. This isn't something to do with somebody being tired. And then I realised it was a different spelling. Anyway, this is how we spell it. It's quite a convoluted spelling. T-E-I-A-R, and it's spelled the same way as in English, but with a rolling R. Tyre. 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 Next on the list was gasoline. In America, gasoline. In the UK here, petrol. And in Welsh, it's the same as the English word petrol, but with the rolling R's and a sharp T. Petrol. 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 There we are. That's nice and easy. Just, get that T sound at pet. Petrol. Okay. Now, next on the list is engine. Another one that sounds similar to the English. And it's injan. Injan. Injan car. Car engine. Injan. I-N-J-A-N. Injan. Next we have ticket, as in a train ticket. Now, ticket in Welsh is tocyn. 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 Like token in English. Tocyn. But you will hear some people anglicise it and say ticket. You will hear that. But tocyn is the more correct word. Right, I'm going to look at this word to make sure I say this one right. Because transport in the UK, transportation in the US, the word transport is trafnidiaeth. Trafnidiaeth. Not one I was sure of. It's a bit of a mouthful. So the words we had today, let's have a look at my list. We had train, which is train, of course. Train. Then we had awyren. Awyren. A plane. Car, which is a car. Lorry. Lorry, which is a lorry or an American truck. Then we had bike, which is bike or bicycle. Bus, which means bus. Boat, which is cwch. Cwch. Chlong, which means ship. Chlong. Tyre. Tyre, which is tyre. Petrol. Petrol. Injan, which is engine. Tocyn, which means ticket. And, go look at this one again. trafnidiaeth, transport. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. The next video in the 625 words in your target language is looking at location. So, for example, cities, houses, apartments, restaurants, school, club, bar, camp, shop, etc. So, looking forward to that one. Hope you found today's video useful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of our videos, why not subscribe? And if you'd like to find out about the video as it comes out, click the little bell. Thank you so much for your support. We've had a wonderful year last year. More and more subscribers, more and more views on the videos, and it's down to you really supporting us and supporting what we're doing here. Because one of the reasons I'm doing it is I just want to share about Wales and about the Welsh language. It's just a language I love, and I want to share it with you and help other people out there to learn the language if that's what they want to do. And sometimes it's just nice to learn a few words if you don't want to learn the whole language. It's just nice to be able to say a little bit when you're in Wales. Well, if you don't support us and you would like to, one way is on Patreon. Patreon.com/learnwelsh. Or you can go to Learn Welsh Podcast Club, learnwelshpodcast.co.uk. Either way, you'll get loads of extra materials, learning materials as a thank you. You get the videos early. You'll get sometimes extra videos, audio versions, quizzes, all kinds of stuff to help you with learning the Welsh language. Well, it's time for me to go, and I'll see you soon. Hwyl fawr. Bye.